Today's video will be explaining how to multiply fractions. Step 1 of multiplying fractions is to multiply the numerators. In this equation, our numerators are 3 and 1. Step 2 of multiplying fractions is to multiply the denominators. Our denominators are 4 and 2, which when multiplied give us 8. Our numerators, 3 and 1, give us 3. Our final fraction is 3/8. Here are some very helpful tips and reminders that always help me when I'm multiplying fractions. Tip number 1 is that there is no need for a common denominator when multiplying fractions. Tip number 2 when multiplying fractions is to not reduce unless truly necessary. This will reduce your time spent multiplying fractions. Tip number 3 when multiplying fractions is to never give up and continue to persevere in your mathematical studies. Although it might be hard, math builds on itself, so keep trying until you fully understand the concept. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing down below.